And what is it?
The location is near the Old Town area, the Jakarta City.
Old Town, sì.
Guarda, qual è la strada?
It's the most iconic in our city.
Che è l'icona, il simbolo della città. Dopo diceva come cosa il Museum Sarabaya.
Museo di Sarabaya is the house of Semporna.
Ok. Fino a Cassino.
Could you please, before you go, to write down this guest book first? Oh, yes. So write down the date first, your name, with your country, and where the source you can get at this tourism information center. The source.
The source.
Yes.
Si chiama il nostro, no, l'abbiamo chiesto in hotel, Rumi?
Or in this column, you can maybe write down some criticism or suggestion for our surfing for you.
Everything is
That's
fine.
good.
Mhm.
Oh,
Yes.
thank you so much.